Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. So guys, if you want to enable dark mode on Instagram, then I'll help you how to enable. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, you can enable dark mode on Instagram easily. So guys, first of all, you need to open your Instagram app. And guys, after this, simply you need to click on your main profile, click on three lines and click on settings and privacy. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down and here you need to find the option of accessibility. So guys, you can see here. So guys, after this, here is the option of dark mode. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and when you need click on, so guys, here you can see now enable totally dark mode on my Instagram account. And guys, when I am doing off, then you can see off this dark mode. So guys, by doing this method, you will be able to turn on dark mode on Instagram. So guys, if you have can't see the option of dark mode, then you need to update your Instagram account, Instagram app. So guys, after updating, you will be able to see the option of dark mode. So guys, how can you update? So guys, if you are using Android phone, then you need to open Play Store. And guys, if you have using iPhone, then you need to open App Store in that phone. So guys, I have using Android phone, therefore I am opening this Play Store and click on Instagram, search here. And guys, click on Instagram, and here is the option you will find update. So guys, I have already updated this app, therefore I am having the dark mode on my Instagram account. So guys, when you update your Instagram account, then you will be able to show the option of dark mode. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.